It's lots of little treats. It's a lot less grief than playing the lotto. That, ooh, very nice. This is a knife sharpener. I like that. I'm assuming you do that and it stays in. Yep. So you tighten it up. Nice little pen design. So it stays in there. Unscrew it. It extends. And you can tighten it up. I'm assuming. Can you? Can you? Not you? Can you? There we go. Now for a knife. Knife, knife, knife. Seriously, all the knives I've bought and I can't find one. Ooh, that feels really nice. So you've got a flat one there, curved one there, and a grooved one. That is nice, I like that. Yeah, that is, you can tell by the feel if it's working, and that is very nice. Yeah, that's a nice little treat, that. It's the sort of thing, because I did buy a grindstone plate. It's like a, about the size of a mobile phone, but thinner, for as a knife sharpener. It's just, it's too, if you sit on it, it'll snap. This is something that's a bit more robust and easier to carry. So, yeah, I like that.